All right, guys, so we have to break down three stocks in this video that I think are about to break out. We're going to go over the charts, what I'm looking to do, entry level points, exit points, all of that good stuff. So yeah, let's dive into it. If you guys find value, hit that like button, make sure to subscribe, and don't forget to get your free stocks from Moomoo, guys. This deal is about to run out. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo. Once you all open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get up to 20 stocks and your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. That's until Jerome Powell and the Fed cut rates, which is happening very soon, guys. So get on that deal. Again, link down below or go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I got my Lux right here, guys. My Lux Vicinada, which means cherry in Greek. This stuff right here is unfreaking believable, guys. Cheers from Greece, by the way. I hope you guys are doing well out there. So yeah, let's get into it. Currently, it's about noon on the East Coast. It's actually 7 here in Greece where I'm making this video. Either way, markets are about halfway through, and we are pretty flat. I guess the Russell is down a bit, but other than that, we're flat on the NASDAQ, S&P, Dow, not doing much of anything today, and the VIX is down about 2%. VIX is now back in the mid-high 15s, and let me see, gold and silver, I believe gold just hit an all-time high. That's at $25.50, and silver is pushing $30 an ounce yet again, and both of those are down about 0.3% each on the day. And by the way, S&P 500, guys, now we're about, $4 away from all-time highs, looking here at SPY, which is the most popular ETF that people look at when it comes to the S&P 500. So we're a stone's throw away from all-time highs on SPY, and Triple Q not so much, although who knows? Maybe if NVIDIA crushes earnings, their stock goes berserk after earnings, maybe in due time we will get there again in the short term to all-time highs on Triple Q, but as of now, we're up barely 0.2%, and we're about, let's see here, 6% off of all-time highs, 5-6% here on Triple Q. So who knows? Maybe if we have a crazy week in the markets after NVIDIA's earnings, all-time highs could be coming, potentially, not guaranteed, guys. And going back to the Russell, we didn't even look at it. Russell's down 0.8%. Clearly, we're noticing resistance here at about 2,300 points. We struggled there, it looks like, mid-July, all throughout July. And now again, in the end of August, it looks like we're failing to break out of there, although it's not like a full-on rejection or anything like that. We're just noticing a little bit of resistance right now, but ultimately I do see the Russell getting over 2250, 2300, and from there we really could start taking off. So guys, let's dive into these three stocks that I'm looking at here in the short term as trades. These are not for investments. I'm not saying they're bad investments, but for me in this case, I'm looking at these as trades. So number one is Adobe, ticker symbol ADBE. Let me show you guys this. And by the way, we actually called this out, I think about a week or two ago. So this is actually a follow-up, and since that last video, we are up a lot, like $40-50 per share, and I think there could be even more upside. So what we're noticing right here on the 4-hour is, number one, a cup and handle. You guys see that right here. We got the cup, got the handle slowly forming, and we also have an inverse head and shoulders. You guys see that right here. We have the left shoulder. If I get the channel tool out or the circle tool out, you guys see right here, left shoulder, got the head right there, right shoulders right here. And look, I think there's upside to about 570 to about 580, 580 being the resistance from early July. Then if that were to break, even more upside from there. So I'm actually looking to hop in on this thing on the breakout above 565. I'll put my alerts. We'll see what it does from there. And then from that point, I think 580, like I said, could be the target. Then there could be a bigger breakout. But baby steps, guys, baby steps. I'll set my first alert at 565. Again, we take that out. Boom. We might do it. That's where I'm looking to catch this trade, maybe for a move up to 580, and we'll see where it goes from that point. Maybe it starts going even higher. So that's Adobe, ticker symbol ADBE. And by the way, run the likes up, guys. I challenge you, 150 likes on this video, and make sure to subscribe. I think 50% of you guys watch the content, but for some reason you're not subscribed. So if that's you, make sure to do that. It's very important, guys. We're almost at that 50,000 subscriber mark. So the second one I'm looking at is Salesforce, ticker symbol CRM, which they're reporting earnings this week, and we have covered them here in the past couple of days once or twice, but I want to hammer this one into you guys because it's looking good, man. And if they do well in terms of guidance, which I believe that's why the stock tanked last go around, last time they reported earnings, we saw a huge dump. But if they report strong guidance, good numbers, this could probably break above 270, which is where my alert's at, and we've been struggling there since the end of May, guys. And from there, we might fill the gap all the way to 285, 290, and we'll see where it goes from there. We actually hit around 285, 290 in the middle of May. That's before the earnings came out, and of course, you guys know what happened after that. We got to 212. So keep your eyes on Salesforce. My alert is set at 270. That's where I'm looking to play the breakout, and I'll probably sell around 280, 290 in that general range. So not a crazy, big move or anything like that. But I am suspecting maybe a $10, $15 move here. We'll see how earnings end up playing out tomorrow after the bell on the 28th. Yeah, we have a lot coming tomorrow, guys. NVIDIA, CrowdStrike, CRM, three massive companies. Easily the top three for this week, at least in my book. I don't know about you guys, but those are the top three I'm watching for this week. And last but not least, guys, a little bit of a curveball here. Haven't talked about this one much. It's Rivian. All right, guys, we're back. So my laptop freaking died on me mid-recording, but Rivian, R-I-V-N. This is one that I'm also watching very closely right now as we're getting buyers to come in at the trend line. You guys can see the uptrend's clearly holding. We're down from $19 per share to pretty much right where we are now, $13 per share. Well, I guess we were there a couple days ago. Now we're starting to pop because, again, buyers are coming in, and we're still down a very good chunk from that $19 high that we recently hit. Let me see, guys, how much we are down, actually, 24%. So Rivian's still in a bear market right now, guys, not by a large margin, but it is in a bear market, and we're approaching a big spot, big resistance, right at the 180 SMA here on the 4-hour chart. My alert set at 1550. I'm looking to trade this thing if it pops out of there. I think momentum could build up. Maybe we start going 1650, 17, maybe higher than that. Who knows? 18, 19 bucks again in due time. But I'm really liking the way the stock's been consolidating after earnings, kind of finding its ground here at about 13, 14 bucks. Now we're starting to get the pop. So let's see if we get some real momentum to start building. I think, again, from 1550, we could catch a trade. Well, I could catch a trade. Do your own research, guys. Up to about $17, $18, and we'll see where it goes from there. But yeah, those are the three stocks for the video, guys. Adobe, CRM, Rivian, and those are some thoughts overall on the market. So what do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And of course, get up to 20 stocks from Moomoo with at least a $100 deposit. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo. And for a limited time until Jerome Powell cuts those rates, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1%. APY, which, guys, come on, that's unheard of. That's a no-brainer. So again, use that link down below, and that is an affiliate link. It helps out the channel. I appreciate you guys as always, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers. Tomorrow's going to be big.